Arkray Trustcheck BPM 2.0. Check and record your blood pressure in the relaxed environment of your home in a quick and reliable manner with Trustcheck BPM 2.0 Digital Blood Pressure Monitor. Trustcheck BPM 2.0 box contains blood pressure monitor machine, pouch, universal cuff, 4 AAA batteries, 1 USB wire, user manual and warranty card. The Trustcheck BPM 2.0 comes with many amazing features to make your blood pressure monitoring experience easy and reliable. Talking feature makes testing process easier.
Your systolic blood pressure is 98.
Universal cuff fits multiple sizes of adult arms from small to extra large. WHO indicator makes it easier to understand whether your blood pressure result is normal or high using color indicators. Trustcheck BPM 2.0 irregular heartbeat detection function detects and indicates any irregular heartbeat observed during measurement. This may give an early indication of some underlying heart problem. The device has a memory of 120 recordings for storing and tracking results of each user, up to 2 separately. Micro USB power supply function to enable users minimize battery usage for better economy. All this with a 5-year warranty for your worry-free usage. Here's how to use the Trustcheck BPM monitor. Sit down comfortably in a chair in upright position. Select your user ID, A or B. Stretch your left arm forward on the desk and relax. Ensure your palm is upturned and in correct position to avoid body movement. Place the cuff around the upper arm with the hose facing upwards and ensure the lower margin of the cuff is above the elbow. For correct cuff position, cuff correct symbol will be displayed. If incorrect, cuff wrong symbol will be displayed. Upon seeing cuff correct symbol, connect the cuff to the blood pressure monitor and you are ready to begin the measurement. Press the start or stop button as the pump begins to inflate the cuff. The increasing cuff pressure will be continually displayed. Quick inflation system enables faster testing time to deliver results in just a few seconds. After automatically reaching an individual pressure, the pump stops and the pressure slowly falls. The stabilized cuff pressure is displayed on the screen. In case of detection of any pulse irregularity while measuring the blood pressure, heart symbol will be displayed on the screen. While taking the measurement, sit still and don't talk. Any bodily movement during measurement will display the movement error symbol. In that case, remove the cuff, wait for 2 to 3 minutes and then reapply the cuff to take another measurement. If not switched off manually, the device is designed to automatically switch off after 60 seconds. This extends the battery life and enables the BPM machine to work longer. Trustcheck BPM 2.0 Digital Blood Pressure Monitor by Arkray.